How's it going there today, everybody? Brandon here, coming to you from the studio in the gallery that I have here in the back of my shop. So right now we've been in the middle of this coronavirus shutdown, lockdown time, whatever you want to call it. So depending on when you're watching this video, we're either still right in the middle of this whole deal, or maybe we've moved past it, hopefully, by the time you're maybe seeing this now. At any rate, I have been here trying to turn out about one new painting a day, and to accomplish that I've been doing it on some rather small canvases that don't take as much time. So I've been turning out a lot of 6x8 canvases. So here is realistically about my last week or week and a half or so worth of work, I guess you could say. And so I've been trying to stay busy doing that, turning out these small canvases. Now, if you've seen much of my channel or my art, you'll probably see that I stick to mostly landscapes and wildlife stuff. So if you have a look at what else I've got here in my gallery right now, there is some of my river kind of fly fishing related art that I've got some pieces of. My other things hang on the wall back there. Mostly wildlife like birds, eagle, hummingbirds. I have a deer up there, some other butterflies, a cardinal. So most of my paintings, again, are just wildlife and landscape stuff. One of these years, maybe, when I feel like I've gotten pretty comfortable with doing that stuff, I think I'm going to try doing portraits of people. The human subject is something that I've kind of shied away from right now because it's a little bit more complicated there, and I don't feel like I have grown quite enough as an artist to tackle that one just yet. When I get to it, I want to be able to feel confident that I can, get the results that I want when I'm doing it. So, haven't tackled that one yet. But all that being said, I'm going to keep trying to turn out these small canvases and do some tutorials and some time lapses and things. So, if you have something specific you would like to see, a tutorial on a specific kind of landscape or wildlife painting, or something maybe that you want to paint along with or see my process in doing, drop me a comment down there. Just shoot me a comment and say, hey, I'd like to see this or try that, or maybe try one of these or whatever, and give me some ideas of some things that you might want to see done. And I will try to throw that in the queue of work to turn out and see what we can get from it. So until we get a reprieve from what's going on here, that's pretty much all I've got going on here. Lockdown, doing some painting, trying to stay productive. So until we meet again, y'all take care.